What's this about? Okay, let me just get the... But there's just something I gotta deal with. So, there's someone in my chat that's saying furries touch, and I'm not gonna say it because risk factor. Well, do you know what? Do you know what? Do you know what? Why are you watching my live stream? Number one. Number two, if I offend you, go and pay, go and download, buy Kitty Adventure and download it and play Kitty Adventure if furries offend you so much. Oh, but hold on. Kitty Adventure will probably offend you as well because furries are in that too, or something. Jesus Christ, some people are